Wizara y'Ekisemi nigobono mawaziri w'Ekisemi Omusike Julius Migosi Ogamba anyarire kuboria obotoereru ase chingaki echiga ekirobono aborokiwa ase chinsemo ao banyare gwikaransira amatemo abo anemono amatemo yora chigo chaka ase ewiki egocha ritko ria Jumatatu nigo agokonera aborokiwa bekirasi gi12 bari begiredi gia kianda na boigo egiredi kia gatano na limo nekero akuboria buna eserikali nigo yanyare kubotoka besa chire chinyinge ichichigete ekirengo gia 3.4 billion igoro yo omugiro wa borokia be university na boigo gukonera emeroberi ao ase wizara eyo y'Ekisemi yega nigo ariko yokona kura ase county ya Nyamira buna umurikito Fatgad ikisemba gutomanya.
Students undertake the exams, allow them to do the examinations without interference and without any form of malpractice.
Posio wa matemwa manene ya borokiwa pe grade ya gatano na limo kianda na boigo 12 nigo omowasiri w'Ekisemi Julius Migosi Ogamba esokire na gukwanira emeroberio area wizara eyo y'Ekisemi yabekire eryo gokia kweneke bona amatemwa yaiga nache goisaransirwa amo na borokiwa asenjera engia ase boigo airire chingaki ekyo na kwaneria aborokiwa bonzi abo bagokia wisaranza amatemwa yaiga amaya.
This year we have a total of 3.4 billion candidates taking the exams. That is KPSEA, KJSEA and KCSE. This is the largest number of examination enrollment that has been done in this country. We need each and everyone to have their hands on board so that we have a smooth transition. We have a smooth transition to grade 9 and our Form 4s to the best as they undertake the exams. So I'm taking this opportunity again to wish all our candidates the very best and to just inform them that the government has their back.
Are na matemwa amanene nigo omowasiri oyo boigo akwaneire igoro yomugiro oyo obeire guturubania amasomo asa borokiwa baria bagosoma university
lecturers and the university workers went on strike in the month of September, and the basic issues that they raised were about 3 issues. The first issue was the arrears for the CBA of 2017-2021, and the second one was the July installment that had not been released by September for the CBA of 2021-2025, and the third issue was the negotiation at the beginning of each cycle of the CBA of 2025-2029. Now, with respect to the arrears of July for the CBA of 2021-2025, which was amounting to 2.73 billion, that sum was released at the end of September, but it was released after they had issued the strike notice. So that issue has already been resolved.
Gukwana na bararia ase skuru ya secondary ya Kiabanyoru egotoke ward ya Itubo ebunge ya North Mugirango nigo mowasiri Migosi Ogamba boigo akwaneire igoro yemeroberio ya serikali yabekire eria borokiwa baria bare ase grade ya kianda kuchia kumanya nsukuru ki bagocha gosoa asa masomo a CPE ayo agochakira grade ya 10 gochakira umwaka ogocha na boigo ukwaneire ogocha komentwa kwa bari Bagosomia Junior Secondary.
For the junior school has been done. As you are aware, we've already employed 76,000 teachers for junior school, and we're also doing a bulk of whom went to junior school, and we're doing another 24,000 to be in class by January this coming year. And as I've said, we received a figure of 950 million to retool all teachers in this new curriculum of competency-based education. So the students have already been piloted. The piloting was done in July on how to select schools, on how to select pathways, and now they are undertaking the examinations. The examinations for grade 9 to transition to grade 10 will have an accumulative marks of 60% because the other 40% is what they already acquired in the process of being in junior school.
Hinko reporter Gatembe koroiga Kiabanyoru egotoke ward ya Itubo ebunge ya North Mugirango county ya Nyamira Fatgad Kisemba.